Hey everybody, welcome back to the Photog Experience. And on today's episode, I'm here at Roosterfront Park here in the northeast part of Tennessee, and I'm gonna kind of give you an update of what we're doing on the channel. Stay tuned. If you don't know me, my name is Jonathan Bailey, and here on the Photog Experience, I like to give you tips and tricks on how to help improve your travel photography with some vlogs thrown in, like this one. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you can stay up to date on all the videos that are going to be coming out, and I have some pretty awesome ideas, so make sure you stay tuned. So it is the new year. Today is January 4th of 2020. The brand new start of a new decade, and I've been having a lot of thoughts on what I want to do with this channel, and I'm super excited to let you all know kind of my ideas of what we're going to be doing from here on out. And I'm sorry if it's really loud there. Ooh, that's really bright. There is a river next to me, and we've been having a lot of rain lately, so the river is super high. Just look at how high that river is. It's crazy looking. But we're gonna stay on the path today. We're not gonna get wet, hopefully. if you all have been following my channel for any length of time, you would know that I just finished a 15-part series from the Carnival Magic, and it was an amazing series. So if you all have not checked it out, I'm going to go ahead and leave it up in the iCard above and in the description below, so make sure you check it out. If you're into cruising or anything like that, I think you'd definitely enjoy it. Also, another shameless plug, if you haven't already, go over to our Facebook page, The Photog Experience, and go ahead and give us a like or follow on Facebook. Make sure you go follow us on Instagram. Those are our two main social medias that we use. I have a Twitter. I don't ever use it. I need to use it more, but it is what it is, I guess. But if you already follow me on Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, you would know that I recently posted a new photo kind of hinting at the exposure. The exposure was a photo contest of sorts that I've done in the past. I only did 3 episodes of it because that actually took a while to put together and all of that. And what it is it's viewer submitted photos that you all send in to me, and I kind of look over them and I gave them like a critique, and then I picked my winner, and they were the winner of the exposure, and I posted that specific winner on my social media, on my website, and things like that. I'm going to do something different with the exposure this time. It's not really going to be a critique / photo contest per se. What I'm going to start doing is, and hopefully this will get more crowd interaction and viewer interaction, I'm going to post a theme. I still think I want to do this every other week. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a theme, say, hey, let's have sunset or sunrise, because I think that's what the first theme is going to be. And through an email that I provide, I want as many people as they can to send me as many photos as they want of their sunrise / sunset photos. And basically what I'm going to do is make a slideshow of all the photos that they put in there and give an opportunity to let lesser known photographers or lesser known travel enthusiasts to let their photos be known and give them exposure. And basically what I'm going to do, and while I show their photos, I'm going to have them, or you, if you plan on being a part, you definitely should, I'm going to have them send me the information they would want to actually show up with their photos. So if you want your name attached, if you want any social media tags attached, your website attached, anything, that'd be a perfect place. Now, I don't know if I'm necessarily going to put it in the description below, because I don't know how many people are going to submit, but I might. So if that is something you're interested in, please just be on the lookout for it, because I think it's going to be super fun. I think it's going to give everybody an opportunity to gather together and to show everybody the amazing images that a lot of people take. And I'm super excited. I love photography, and I love travel photography. I love being able to tell a story. Yeah. So if you're interested, keep an eye out, because I'm going to make the first video about kind of what it's going to really be about and post it soon. So make sure you subscribe. Kind of another idea I have is, I have been thinking, when I first started this channel, I was doing this. I was giving a lot of tips on how to improve just overall photography and things like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on, I don't think it's going to be an every week thing, because I think I'm just going to stick to posting 1 video a week. It just works for me with my schedule, with work and all of that. But what I'm going to do is sort of like a Thursday tips. If you all follow Peter Mckinnon, he does 2-Minute Tuesdays. I don't necessarily want to follow his footsteps exactly, because if you know Peter Mckinnon, he is amazing. His link is in the description down below. I want to get to the root of why I started this channel. I want to help you all improve your travel photography and just improve your photography in general. So what I'm going to do is pick out, say, exposure one week, or learning how to use your phone better one week, or using how to use a digital SLR one week, and really dive into the nuances of what makes a good photograph or a good image. And I'm super excited about that because that was the main reason why I started this channel. So if you're interested in anything photography, if you are wanting to improve as a photographer or travel photographer or anything like that, that is something you definitely want to be on the lookout for. It's going to be a lot of fun. Of course, I'm still going to do travel vlogs every time I go to a theme park, because I love theme parks. Every time I do any sort of traveling, I want to bring you all along with us. Now, I will be going on a cruise in April. I'll be going on a Carnival Glory out of New Orleans, which I'm super excited about. I think it's going to be an amazing time. I've never been to New Orleans. I've never been on the Carnival Glory. I have been on her sister ship. I've been on the Liberty before, and it was super fun. It was a great ship. And one thing that's really cool, on the Carnival Liberty, our cruise director was Donkey. And he's actually going to be our cruise director on this cruise as well. So it's going to be some familiarities, and it's going to be a really fun time. I'm super excited about it. So if you're into travel vlogs or cruise vlogs or anything like that, again, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you stay up to date on all the travel vlogs that I post. I'm super excited. Normally we go to Carowinds a lot. I don't think we're doing a lot of Carowinds this year, but we may be doing some other parks more this year. Just stay tuned. Another series that I started before was called the Creator Limelight. And I don't know exactly what I want to do with that series just yet. There's a lot to go into collab videos like that. I basically have only done that once. And I've had a lot of bigger YouTube channels, which is amazing, say they want to be a part of it, because especially in the travel community, it is just basically one big family, and I love that. But before I do anything with it, anything further, really, I really want to just think about and understand exactly what I want the Creator Limelight to be, because I don't know yet. I don't know if it's a series just to get to know people. I don't know if it's a series to, I don't know. I really don't know. Runner, life goals. Obviously, new year, new me. I want to be that guy starting Monday. Pray for me. So yeah, I don't know what the Creator Limelight is going to entail. I'm not going to walk any further. There's a waterfall over there. I'll show it to you, but it's going to be super loud, so I'm not going to walk over there just yet. But yeah, that's kind of what the direction I'm going with the channel. So far, I've been posting one video a week for the past 16 weeks, 15, 16 weeks, something like that. And I really like it, like being able to push myself to make sure that I do post at least one video a week has been a challenge. I know a lot of people post daily. They post 2 to 3 times a week, and it's hard, and it really is hard. But I'm definitely going to push myself to make sure I stay to the one video a week, and I'm super excited. Like, I think I really think that this channel has places to go, and with you all, with the subscribers and everything that I have already, I just want to thank you so much for being a part of this, and stay tuned because there's a lot more to come.